Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to extract archive on GZIP compression in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Here in my computer I have two GZIP compressed archive file. I want to extract this file in a folder. To extract this archive file in GZIP compression, I need a folder. I am creating a folder backup in my current location, and the folder is created here, and I want to extract this etc backup.tar.gz in this backup folder. Now I want to access the folder cd backup, and now the extract command tar x for extract, z for gzip compression, and then f for file, and now type the compressed file with path root desktop etc underscore backup underscore tar.gz. Now hit enter. The extract is completed. Now I'm going to check, open the backup directory, and look, the etc is extracted here, and you will find all your archived files and folder extracted here. This is the easiest way to extract archive files in GZIP compression on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.